Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Ben Poole. We're here at Sophie 2017 in Amsterdam, and I'm delighted to be joined by Saskia Devolder from Swift. Saskia, thank you for being here.
Welcome.
So we're talking about payments today,
Yes.
and my first question is, what challenges do banks have in the payments arena in both the short and the long term?
Well, I think banks, first of all, care for their clients. Retail clients, they are looking mainly for speed, no hassle. They do everything digital, the iPad, the iPhone, everything else. So they want as well their banking services, as well as payments for whatever goods they like to be simple. And so that's a challenge to banks. They need to figure out how potentially technology or other things can help them to do that, going away from bringing people into their offices to bring actually those services to the people in their homes on the devices that they want to use. On the other hand, they have the wholesale clients. Those are looking for transparency, speed as well in a certain way, because today they have no idea how long a payment, especially on the international side, is going to take. The costs involved, so they're looking for transparency, speed, and traceability. Where is it and when will it be executed? So that's one side of the equation, but on the other side, they also have regulators looking over their shoulders. There is GDPR coming, data privacy, so how do they manage all of that? Then on top of that, cyber. So they're juggling, I think, in the middle between offering all of that to their clients.
So in this context, how do banks cater to the evolving needs of their clients?
Well, I think first of all, they are looking at how they can change the services they have to offer those digital, and not just, like I think this morning was said, just take the service itself and transform it digitally, but think more creative, more innovative. That obliged them to think about the culture, the people that they have into the bank that can help them in doing that transformation. And then, of course, they have the potential use of technology, which is evolving very fast, that can help them in that. And then partnerships. They can look at fintechs, they can look at other companies that can help them into that transformation to offer actually better, faster, and more services to their clients, to stay relevant. In the end, that is, I think, the goal of the bank, is to stay relevant.
So with all this going on, what is Swift doing to help its customers navigate these changes and also remain competitive?
Okay. Well, what is Swift doing to support the banks in that challenge? I think we have two very exciting new projects going on, one being instant payments. We will be offering instant payments by November 2018, and that platform will allow them to do multi-CSM, meaning that we will, in the first place, allow access to RT1 and TIPS, so from EBA and ECB. But the platform is designed to be open, meaning that we allow them to access multi-CSM as well, domestic as on the international level, so that they can offer those services to their clients. The second one being GPI, where especially on the wholesale side, we have designed together with the community about 2 years ago, the GPI initiative, whereby first of all there is an SLA. Banks adhere to the SLA, in which one of the elements is that they provide the payment execution within 24 hours. On top of that, we have built a tracker allowing for the wholesale client to actually track where that payment is in its execution, which bank, in which country, when it will be executed, and what the costs are related to that transaction. So on top of that, we're looking also at information. We heard a lot at Sophie today about artificial intelligence. That all starts with data. So in the end, a GPI transaction is two wholesale clients executing a deal. They do a trade. But with that, there's also a lot of data being needed that needs to be exchanged. So we're not only offering the payment, but also looking at how we can support banks in exchanging all of that data. In order, of course, to allow banks as well on the instant payments to innovate, and also on GPI to innovate, and more to come, we're looking at building a new messaging platform, because instant payments was not offered by Swift. We did not do 24 hours. We did not allow the speed of messaging. So we're building a new messaging layer, and of course a new technological platform to support that, and to support APIs, which are also used into GPI. And for that, we have developed a new platform called AMH. allowing the single window for banks, whatever service they would like to offer to their wholesale retail clients.
Wonderful. Well, Saskia, thank you very much for joining me.
You're welcome.
And thank you for watching.